Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Explainable AI, XAI, peeking inside the AI's black box, making AI decisions understandable. So we know why it did what it did. Imagine you ask a super smart friend for advice, and they just say, do X. Without explaining why. You might do it, but you'd wonder, why X? XAI is like asking your AI, hey, why did you decide that? It's about opening up the AI's brain so we can understand its reasoning, not just its answer. For developers, this means building AI that isn't just powerful, but also transparent and trustworthy. Many powerful AI models, especially complex ones like deep learning, work like a mysterious black box. You feed them data, like an image, and they spit out an answer, like, it's a cat. Single quote. But how they got to that answer is hidden. It's like having a magic calculator that gives correct answers but never shows its steps. As a developer, if your code works but you don't understand why it works, debugging problems or improving it becomes incredibly hard. This black box makes it tough to trust, debug, and even learn from our AI. Knowing why an AI made a decision isn't just curiosity. It's critical. In healthcare, if AI recommends a treatment, doctors need to know why to trust it with a patient's life. In finance, if AI denies a loan, the person needs to know why to fix their situation. For self-driving cars, engineers need to understand why a car made an unexpected turn to prevent future accidents. From a developer's standpoint, if you build an AI that could have life or death implications, being able to explain its choices is paramount for ethics, liability, and continuous improvement. XAI provides different tools to peek inside the black box. Think of it like a detective's toolkit. Some tools help you understand one specific decision an AI made, like why it flagged this particular transaction as fraud. Other tools help you understand the asterisk general behavior of the AI model as a whole, like what kinds of transactions it typically considers fraudulent. As a developer, you choose the right XAI tool based on what you need to understand about your AI system at a given moment. This is about understanding a local explanation. For example, if you show an AI an image and it says, dog, a local XAI tool might highlight the specific pixels or features in asterisk that particular image, like floppy ears, wet nose. That made the AI think, dog. It explains the individual choice. As a developer, this is super useful for debugging. Why did my AI misclassify this specific customer's query? Or, what parts of this email made the spam filter block it? Single quote. This is about global explanations. Looking at the bigger picture, instead of just one decision. We want to know what patterns or features the AI generally focuses on across many decisions. For instance, an XAI tool might show that your dog AI model generally looks for 4 legs, a tail, and fur as primary indicators, regardless of the specific dog. For a developer, global explanations help you understand your AI model's general strengths, weaknesses, and potential biases before it even makes a specific wrong decision. It's about profiling your AI. Why should developers care about XAI? 1. Trust. Asterisk if you can explain your AI's decisions, people, and you, will trust it more. 2. Debugging. Asterisk when things go wrong. XAI helps you pinpoint why and fix the AI. It's like having error messages for AI logic. 3. Fairness and ethics. XAI can reveal if your AI is making decisions based on unfair biases, e.g., race, gender, allowing you to correct them. 4. Compliance. Asterisk in regulated industries, being able to explain AI decisions is often a legal requirement. For a developer, XAI elevates your AI project from a cool tech demo to a responsible, robust, and deployable solution. As a developer, understanding XAI means you're building smarter, more responsible AI. You don't just create a powerful tool, you create a powerful and understandable tool. While diving deep into XAI algorithms can be complex, many ready-to-use XAI libraries and frameworks are available. Learning to apply these tools lets you look inside your AI's black box, understand its inner workings, and ultimately, build AI that makes sense to humans. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.